And of course, everybody's trying to do the best they can to try and support those who are in trouble during COVID-19. One of those doing a stellar job is the Muslim Association of South Africa. They've actually converted a clinic in Norwood, it's here in Johannesburg, into a COVID-19 patient care centre. The facility started admitting patients on Friday as COVID-19 infections rose in Gauteng. They're planning to open more, they tell us. Let's find out how it's gone so far and the plans going forward. Muslim Association of South Africa's Yaseen Theba. Yaseen, it's always such a pleasure speaking to you. Congratulations. It looks like you guys are doing a better job than most government hospitals. You've been able to put this together and you already have plans to come up with a few more. Tell me about the centre you've currently got. Tell me about what it looks like and how many people you're helping.
You know, Gareth, at this moment, the challenges are just such mammoth that we're trying to pool all resources and trying to get as much people as possible together so that we can try and help as much people as possible. We're living in extreme circumstances, and you rightly say that the government hospitals and the public hospitals are taking a major strain. We're seeing private hospitals also taking strain, lack of resources, triage facilities full. And our idea was just to basically try and get as much help and as much resources to one point where we can help as much people as possible. We started admitting patients last week Friday, and those patients are subacute patients that come, helping them with oxygen, x-rays, blood results. We've got a team of volunteer doctors that have committed, and fortunately we're just trying to pull as much resources and fortunately helping people.
And as far as the kind of support you're getting from the community around as well, not everything can be done by the Muslim Association. You guys do incredible work as it is. The kind of support you're getting from perhaps local businesses, small businesses, because to be able to care for COVID-19 patients, it's a slightly more advanced care centre as well. Tell me about the volunteers and tell me about the kind of equipment needed to make this work.
We've got volunteers, volunteer medics that are doing house calls from ER24, Sabri, and of course from our team locally that go to the houses, do rapid tests, check on patients. It's important for us to get to these patients as quick as possible so that we can try and establish what sort of care they need. We try and support them with oxygen concentrators at home. We do rapid tests to confirm whether they are positive or negative, and then take it from there. If they need to be hospitalized, we offer them the services at the facility, or we try and network them with hospitals in our area that can accommodate them and have facilities.
And I understand there's some plans to do and create a few more of these centres. Are we talking just Joburg-based, Yaseen, or are we expanding beyond the borders? What's the future plans?
You know, at this stage, the district is quite strained with the closing of the Johannesburg General Hospital after the fire. So we're trying to accommodate as much as we can and trying to pool resources as close as we can. We encourage other organizations and other doctors and other communities in their localities to collaborate just like we did. That said, at this stage, our priority is to get as much help as we can in this district. And especially in Johannesburg, where we're seeing the major resources being strained.
Well, obviously, before I let you go, Yaseen, I'd love to hear from you about any kind of other support you need. You mentioned, of course, doctors, nurses who could volunteer their time, but not everybody is an incredible doctor or nurse. What other kind of support or help could you possibly need from anyone watching right now?
You know, I think it's a time for everyone to pull together to sort of provide support, emotional support. If you know people in homes that need the support, reach out to them. Let's use one another to make one another stronger. People can go onto our website, details of the facility, how you can contribute towards some of the initiatives that we are involved in for the citizens of Johannesburg. You can go onto the website and details onto the website, muslim.org.za.
And I'm sure many people will want to assist wherever they can. Incredible work. I'm just looking at some of the photos, having gotten this done quicker than the government has managed to repair Charlotte Macnaker Hospital for COVID-19. This has been done from scratch. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? Yaseen Theba, wonderful work from you and the organisation, Muslim Association of South Africa, joining us here on eNCA.